So I'm going to create a line. So up to here, where the screen stops, and maybe outside the screen. Then after that, I will delete that portion, which I don't prefer to always use delete, but as long as you are perfect, you can use it, because you may have a distorted image and then you want to redo your work, then you don't have any way. So I will come, create a straight line onto the screen. Because this smart screen, they have smooth line on it. Then delete that portion, Control D. Then what is remaining, it is only this portion altogether, because we wanted the boyfriend to be inside. So I'll just come here. Not in line. After confirming that straight line, move outside. Then delete. Control D, bring it back. Do you see that it is a little bit coming out? Yes. Then take it back to normal. And then after taking it back to normal, I think we need to create a certain straight line again here. So if you wanted to create another straight line, take it back, and then to see that line. So what I'm going to do, I will come here, and then move out. Delete that portion, then Control D. Then if you are interested only the legs of the baby to be out, move another straight line. Then we shall see how to cater with the legs. Hey. Then delete that portion, Control D, then take it back. So when you try to watch it, at least we have a little bit achieved it altogether. So what is just remaining, if you bring it a little bit closer here, it is that portion. You can use whether the quick selection tool, if it will work for you. It's so big. So it will select for you. Then you just delete whatever is selected. It will select for you the portion. Avoid that. I will just use I can use the brush tool or use the laser tool. The laser tool to take that portion away. And then when you bring it back, you can see that your baby, you find them at home. They are freely watching the TV inside the TV altogether. So how do you achieve that? This is one of the pop out that we come up with. At least we have tried it within the few minutes.